Snack of choice for my grandson today. So let's get started. I'm not going to give measurements because this is a test batch I am making. So let's go through the ingredients that I would be using: some flour, some essence, some soda, baking soda, egg, cinnamon, clove, and sugar, salt. I'm going to puree my sweet potato with some milk, and then I'm going to add the sugar, egg, and all of the spices. Mix that, then I'm going to add my sifted flour. As I said, I'm not going to give measurements because this is a test batch to see how it would come out. Once it's pureed and mixed in, everything is mixed in well. When time to pour it in a pan afterwards, I did add some grated pieces of sweet potato, and I baked this for 30 minutes on 375 degrees. Alright, so look out for the updated version with proper measurements. This batch really came out good, but as I said, when making this, I didn't have any specific amount of measurements per se. I just wanted to see how this recipe would turn out, and I was pleasantly surprised with how sweet the potato was, because I only added 1 cup of sugar to almost 3 cups of flour, and so I know that the sweet potato did add some extra sweetness. So look out for the full recipe soon. Thanks for watching.